The presence of R454B in air conditioning equipment is increasing due to the ecological restrictions currently affecting R410A. In this video, we will analyze what can happen when an HVAC technician uses R410A in a system designed for R454B. 1. Although R454B has similar heat transfer properties to R410A, its volumetric vapor density is slightly lower. This means that compressors designed for R454B tend to have a slightly larger displacement compared to those designed for R410A. 2. When using R410A, due to its higher density, a greater mass is supplied compared to R454B, which slightly increases the compressor's electrical current consumption. 3. The greater mass per volume in vapor state with R410A compared to R454B can cause a slight additional pressure drop in the pipes when switching from R454B to R410A, affecting the equipment's efficiency. 4. The liquid density of R454B is lower than that of R410A. This means that the mass and liquid state with R410A is greater than with R454B, which can cause a higher pressure drop in the liquid lines when replacing R454B with R410A in a system. 5. With a higher density, R410A might require a slightly smaller diameter capillary tube or adjustments to its length, as there is more mass per unit volume. Therefore, to maintain adequate flow and avoid efficiency or performance issues, slight modifications to the capillary tube may be necessary. 6. Evaporators designed for R454B consider a greater temperature glide or variation within the evaporator compared to R410A. This can alter the evaporator's operating temperature when replacing R454B with R410A. 7. Replacing R454B with R410A will generate a lower discharge temperature at the compressor outlet. This is because R410A contains a lower amount of R32 refrigerant. 8. Switching from R454B to R410A means the compressor will have to work at higher pressures. 9. The oil selected for the compressor with R454B considers a higher discharge temperature compared to the discharge temperature of R410A, which can influence the compressor's performance under certain conditions. 10. The change in discharge temperatures and pressure values should be considered for the selection and mounting position of components such as safety pressure switches, pressure transducers, safety relief valves, and four-way reversing valves in heat pumps.